Hello, traders. FS Speculate here. Today is Thursday, September 12th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had interest rate come out today, and it did cause the euro to eventually go up, even though they did lower interest rate, which is why I always say that fundamentals normally do not line up with what you actually see on the chart, because lower interest rate would really should be negative for the euro. Now, we never did hit the 50% Fibonacci level, so I'm still kind of thinking that we may get another push down. We don't really necessarily have a break of structure yet, so we really can't say that the trend is up. If it does break and hold above structure, then I will definitely, without even caring, start looking for longs in an uptrend. Otherwise, if it doesn't break this structure or it rejects this structure, I might even go short again because it does seem like it might try to go down at least to this 50% or maybe even lower. So definitely keep an eye on your structure level as usual, and if you pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, you should be trading in the right direction most of the time. So anyways, we got some news tomorrow. We have consumer sentiment. It's the primary consumer sentiment for the U.S. tomorrow, and we also have inflation expectations tomorrow. I wouldn't really worry about the Chinese news. I don't really think that's going to do a whole lot. So we just have a little bit of dollar news in the late afternoon around 3 p.m. UK time to check out tomorrow. So, anyways, I hope everybody enjoys their evenings, and as always, thank you and happy trading.